Are you new to the gym and don't know where to start? Or perhaps you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast looking for ways to maximize your workout? This video is for you. We'll be delving into the world of gym machines, showing you how to use them effectively and safely. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been at it for a while, this guide will help you get the most out of your gym time. Stay tuned to learn about the gym machines and how to use them. First up, the treadmill. This popular machine is ideal for cardio workouts. It's simple to use, even for beginners. Start with adjusting the speed and incline to suit your comfort level. Gradually, as you build stamina, you can increase these settings. The treadmill offers the flexibility of walking, jogging, or sprinting, making it a versatile tool for cardiovascular fitness. One crucial safety tip: avoid holding onto the handles while running. This can affect your posture negatively. Remember, the treadmill isn't just for running. You can walk, jog, or sprint depending on your fitness level. Now let's move on to weight machines. These are perfect for strength training. The gym is full of different types of weight machines, each designed to target specific muscle groups. We'll start with the leg press machine, a great tool for working your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Ensure your feet are flat against the platform and your knees are aligned with your feet when pressing. Next, we have the chest press, which targets your pectoral muscles. Keep your back flat against the seat and your feet firmly on the ground. Push the handles out, but don't lock your elbows. Lastly, there's the lat pull-down machine, fantastic for your back and shoulder muscles. Maintain a tall posture, pull the bar towards your chest, and slowly release it back up. Each machine will have a mechanism to adjust the weights. Start with lighter ones and perfect your form before adding more. Remember to start with lighter weights and gradually increase as your strength improves. So, there you have it, a brief introduction to some of the most common gym machines. We've walked you through the treadmill, a staple in cardio workouts, and various weight machines that target different muscle groups. Each machine, when used correctly, can be an essential tool in your fitness journey. Remember, it's not about how much you can lift or how fast you can run. It's about using these machines correctly to avoid injury and achieve the best results. A solid understanding of these machines will help you to maximize your workouts, ensuring that each movement targets the right muscles and contributes to your overall fitness goals. So start slow, listen to your body, and gradually increase your intensity and weights as you become more comfortable. With a little patience and persistence, you'll soon be navigating the gym floor with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching. Remember, the gym can be intimidating at first, but with knowledge and practice, you'll become a pro in no time.